Online fraud, identity theft, hacking, and harassment are now among the most common crimes in India. The good news is that you can report all of them from your phone within minutes of an incident. Here is your step-by-step guide to filing a cybercrime complaint online. If you have lost money to an online scam, speed is everything. Call the Cybercrime Helpline 1930 the moment you notice the fraud. It works around the clock, and it feeds into a system that alerts banks and payment intermediaries so the defrauded amount can be frozen before the fraudster withdraws it. The first hours after a fraud are often called the golden hour. Keep your bank account details, transaction reference numbers, and the time of the transaction ready when you call.
Next, open the official National Cybercrime Reporting Portal at cybercrime.gov.in. It covers two broad categories: crimes against women and children, including obscene or sexually abusive content, can be reported anonymously. Everything else, financial fraud, hacking, identity theft, social media impersonation, and online cheating, goes under the option to report other cybercrime.
New users register with a mobile number, verified through a one-time password. Once logged in, fill in the complaint form, the date and time of the incident, the platform or website involved, the suspect's details if you know them, and a clear description of what happened. Be specific and factual, and give accurate contact details so the investigating officer can reach you. Strong evidence improves the chance of action. Before you file, gather screenshots of the fraudulent messages, emails, or web pages, transaction details such as UPI reference numbers, bank statements, and debit alerts, the suspect's phone number, email address, or social media profile, and any call recordings or chat logs. Upload supporting files where the portal allows attachments, and preserve the originals on your device. Review everything for accuracy, then submit. The portal generates an acknowledgement with a complaint reference number. Note it carefully because it lets you track the status of your complaint and add further information later. Your complaint is routed to the relevant state or district cybercell, and you may be contacted for a statement or asked to visit the local cyber police station. Cyber offenses are prosecuted under the Information Technology Act 2000 and the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Under the IT Act, Section 66C punishes identity theft, and Section 66D punishes cheating by personation using a computer resource. Both carry imprisonment of up to 3 years and a fine of up to 1 lakh rupees. Under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Section 318 covers cheating, commonly invoked in online fraud and phishing, and Section 319 covers cheating by personation. Call 1930 immediately. File at cybercrime.gov.in with all your evidence and keep that reference number safe. Acting in the first few hours can make the difference between losing your money and recovering it. For more information, visit our website and subscribe.